Hey guys, this is Ashraf. I am going to show you guys on how to make your 3D object model flat onto a plane, because making it flat onto a plane is a very important thing to do to avoid any hitch or any problem during printing, especially on the first layer, because on 3D printing it is much different. So I am going to show you guys on the windows over here. I am going to use the 3D Builder. You don't have to use any expensive application, unlike Simplify 3D, which costs you around $150, which is very expensive just for a certain two function that you can use. One is that you can lay flat the object based on a certain mesh. Another one is that you can place a custom support where you want it to be. I launch 3D Builder app over here. So first thing, you will get this interface onto your left hand side. Load the model. I got two models over here. One is an object used for ball jointed doll over here. Another one is the green gem that I use to model for a props. So I am going to load the green gem first. Confirm your unit selection here: micrometer, millimeter, centimeter, inches, feet, and meter. So I'm going to use millimeter as my default. So in general, you want to have this most flat surface area over here. The flat surface, that is quite a lot. By right, it is important that you just rotate by 90 degree. Minus 90 degree. There. But the problem is that the object is still slightly slanted. One of the angle is still lifted on top of the... It's not perpendicular to the bed here, which is the floor. So I'm going to use the object section here and then the settle function. So this gem here is already settled on the floor. By using this settle function here, it is to generate something like a gravity inside this 3D Builder app here, which is kind of important. So I guess this function is very nice to use, because generating the gravity, making the 3D object model laid flat onto the floor. So press accept and it is flat onto the floor and perpendicular as well. So we are going to export this. Go to File, the three line here, and then Save As. We're going to save it as .stl by the same name, but I'm going to add in another name, flat, to indicate that the file is flat. Some information will be lost when saving in this format. Choose 3MF to save everything. So I'm going to ignore that because we are going to 3D print anyway. So launching my slicer over here that are ready. So I'm going to load two objects at once. One is the original file, which is the original greengem.stl. Another is greengemflat.stl. If we are previewing them in preview mode, there you can see it is laid flat. So if I were to change the orientation of this original green gem, rotate on y-axis minus 90 degree, it is still not that flat. I'm going to rotate once more on y-axis 180. There, it is still not flat. Arrange. Let's check on the preview. There. Onto the original big gem, the green gem I mean, the starting point, the first layer, is somewhere over here, which is not advisable, and it will cause you a lot of problem during printing. So I am going to show you guys another one, which is this one. I'm going to load to another slicer app over here. I'm having trouble loading this model, so I'm going to use the Slicer Prusa edition. And also back to the 3D builder over here, we are going to have a new scene, and then open, load model, and the top model here, which is one of the part for ball jointed doll. So I am going to load this model onto this Slicer Prusa edition here as well. I'm going to adjust manually. Y-axis minus 90 degree. Oops, that's wrong. Rotate on x-axis minus 90 degree. There. So as you can see on the side here, it is not laid flat, perpendicular to the surface. If we are doing the preview as well, it is not flat. So by doing this, it is very tedious job because you need to find the perfect angle just to have it laid flat. Another option is to cut this model so that it is laid flat onto the surface there, but it is not advisable. By this, I'm going to show you on using the 3D builder on making this flat onto the surface. So I loaded this over here, confirm the file unit, and then we adjust the orientation by 90 degree because we want to have this flat area over here to be at the bottom, and then we going to use the settle function once again. As you can see, it slowly adjusts itself like having a weight there, and then slowly settle itself onto the surface. So we accept that once more, save as and export as .stl. Ending another flat, ignore that, just save it, and then we load this file onto Slicer Prusa edition. So let's check onto the preview. There, as you can see, it is currently laid flat onto the plane there. So this tool, the 3D Builder tool, although it is very basic for Windows that are provided by Windows, I don't know about Mac OS and Linux. I don't know if they are available though, but by using this tool, it is a very important tool to make your model laid flat onto the plane surface without any use of Simplify 3D, which is an expensive software, $150 just to make your model laid flat onto the plane there, which is, I don't know, yeah, quite expensive and absurd considering the price point over there. Okay, I hope that this tutorial video able to help you guys in making your 3D model laid flat onto a plane, onto a floor, because it can make a lot of difference in 3D printing world, especially to avoid errors during printing. So do give me a thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you don't like this video. Do share this video if you found this topic is helpful for you guys, and do check my other videos on top over here. Do subscribe to me and support me on Patreon as well. Ashraf signing out. Thank you for watching.